In previous chapters, you have studied what corpora is and some of its uses. In Chapter 5, you will study the applications of corpora in applied linguistics, such as the production of dictionaries, its use in critical linguistics, translation, literary studies and stylistics, forensic linguistics, and its application in designing writer support packages. Did you know that a dictionary can turn into a better one by the use of corpora?
No.
This is based on the emphasis on frequency of some words and the way they are used in everyday language. By this, dictionary writers can include more than one sense of a word as well as the tendency of words, such as nouns and verbs, to occur within certain patterns. Another concern in which corpora is very useful is authenticity. Imagine if you had to learn a huge amount of words that are not common in a language. What a waste of time!
And brain.
That is why the use of real language for the elaboration of reference grammar books is so important. In this chapter, you will also study the implication of corpus data in critical linguistics, how the social context, hidden agendas, and sense of words can influence on the way discourse of, let's say,
Politicians?
or the way in which a magazine narrates an event. Critical linguistics is concerned with these issues and with the relations of power underlying language use. The discourse of a particular community in a particular context is examined to reveal ideological implications. By using corpora in this area, we can identify implicit meaning in discourse.
And what about translation? Is it like from one place to another?
Well, you've got the idea, but it's not like that. Let me explain. The use of corpora in translation is related to the way words are used in a discipline in a given language, and then improve the information available in dictionaries for other authors. Parallel corpora are also a great aid to compare how a text has been translated into different languages, and compare and contrast how other authors are using that words or how much they have diverged from the original.
Whoa!
Another example is how corpus can be applied in literary works.
Really?
Yeah, with a general corpus you can establish norms of comparison when discussing features of literary style or, for example, some aspects of a writer's style.
So, can I know who is the author of a piece of literature just by the way she or he uses language?
Yep, which also leads us to forensic linguistics.
Are we gonna get caught or something?
No. Corpus databases are very useful for this branch of linguistics because it enables professionals in law and court cases, whether to identify a voice or documents written by a person, to offer evidence about the naturalness of language, or to find out if someone is lying or fixing her or his declaration by the use of certain patterns of language.
Whoa, so this thing of the application of corpora in applied linguistics is really important, right?
It is, and the use of corpus techniques is increasing in solving real-world problems.